Hello guys, I am building the UI kit for a financial app. Today I want to show how I'm gonna build one of the screens. This will be the adding the new card screen, the bank card. So I have this my account overview, but I don't have the add new card. Let's copy this one. Remove a few things first. The top section is not needed. Let's rename it to add new card. I think we won't need the QR code. I will make it 0% opacity because I have a auto layout here. If I just disable the icon, you see the title will move to the right. That's why I'm making this little hack, making this transparent. First of all, I think we need to select the type of the card. Usually people select either Visa or MasterCard. Let's find this type of selector. Let's actually copy this section here. We won't need the bottom, and I will remove it. Copy this, replace this one. Let's copy the MasterCard logo, put it inside of this logo box. We need to make it a frame because now it's just a group, which we don't need because the group will grow depending on the size of the elements inside. So we'll choose frame selection, code card logo. Have it this way, but we need to resize it a bit so it fits the box better. Should be fine. I will launch my plugin for icons to find Visa logo. Really love this icon body plugin. Have this one. And we have it like this. I will make one of the boxes selected so we can see the rest of the form here. And this is the example of the selected box. I will copy the style, Option Command C and Option Command V. The only thing is that now the sizing is a bit different. I want to have it same size as this. And same padding on both vertical and horizontal, and also the distance between objects inside. So like this, now Visa is selected. And on the next step we'll give some choices to the user for card design. The card design, it will be a swipeable carousel. So I will make something like this. To be able to move this component inside the auto layout, I can turn on the option to ignore auto layout. That's how I can move it this way, however I want. Right top corner, for example, while this guy goes below. But I also want to change the card design so it's not the stroke that gets this angular gradient, but the fill. So let's detach. Let's apply gradient Angular, and we'll have a few different options to choose from. Actually, this option is quite nice. Why not have it like this as the first one, or maybe as the second one? This will be card 1 and the next will be card 2. I will again put these two into auto layout, but I will make it horizontal auto layout, so it goes beyond the screen. Just let's make it a different color. And I think there was a mistake, because you don't add a new card, you order a new card from the bank or from other financial organization. I remember my previous experience with another bank, and the bank offered to put stickers on top of the card. So I'm thinking maybe I can add this functionality here as well. Let's find the suitable button, this one, put it into this box, and I need a sticker icon. Open icon body plugin again and find sticker. I think this one should be great. No, because you see I need an icon that has not fill but stroke, so I can change the thickness. This doesn't work. Let's try this one. Yeah, this one works fine. I will rename it, and I will copy this icon style and paste it to this icon. The size is 24 by 24. Cut and paste. Is this the style that we use for the buttons? Paste and put it in front of the text. Yeah, like this. So the example is fully correct. I will also put some emoji sticker on the card design. Let's add some text, call an emoji, and search for something money related. This one looks good. Let's make it big, maybe even bigger than that. So I will detach it from the style, not that big. 64, cut, paste, make it ignore the auto layout and put it somewhere here. Nah, doesn't look that good. Maybe let's try something different. This guy, I think it works best. Just let's turn it this way. The last thing we need is the button to order the card. And we have a new screen for our UI kit. Please tell me in the comments if it was interesting. I will make more of these videos. Have a great day, guys, and see you in the next one.